Can you explain what you've got there, please? For the video for Nini and Bobo.
I just have balloons.
Can I see it? What is that? It's a horse?
Unicorn.
A unicorn!
Yeah, I have to go.
For Kimmy.
Bye, Josh.
I'm sorry.
Make sure you bring a card for me to send it to me for her birthday of the pictures.
Alright.
Oh, it's dark out here tonight. Here's the porch. It's all dark. Okay, Josie. There's Debbie. Hello. Pizza. Come on, Josie, let me come. Close the door. Oh, Nini and Bobo, here's the new fridge. They haven't seen the fridge, have they? Nini and Bobo. No, sorry about that. Here it is. Can you open the fridge and show Nini and Bobo the fridge, Josie? One door. Two doors. That's it. So you go in here. There's your ice maker. So you have your drinks. Here is stuff. Shelves. This stuff here. And then here's the thing on the door here. And then there's the freezer, Josie. Open the freezer for us. Come on. Here's the freezer down. Oh, yes, ice cream. Close that drawer. Now close the main drawer, Josie. Thank you. Now close the door there. And close the door there. And that's it. It's kind of got two doors on it. So, Josie, what do you say? Take a bow. Whoa! That's it. It's this is your water thing here. You can have ice, crushed ice, or water. Different things it does. Beats it, cleans it, sweeps, etc. Whirlpool is to make. It's an American type of thing. That's it. And here's Squirt. Come on, Squirty. Goose Simpson. Okay? Bye, Goose. Well, there's the boy. I'm not going to show below the belt, but just the top. He's actually doing what little boys do in toilets. Whoa, Josie! That was good. Oh, don't do that. Naughty. Okay. Squirt! Okay, that's it. Bye. Bye-bye.